Hey, what is going on everyone? It is Supreme Guru here and I am back with another video. In this video, this is the second part of it and we're going to be looking at how to set up your blue light filter or your Nightshift filter on your iPhone and also on your Android phone. Now we're starting out with the iPhone. I've got the iPhone 8 Plus in front of me here and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your Nightshift filter. So I'm just going to swipe up from the bottom and you can see this little brightness slider that I have here. So basically, if I hold that in, you can see in the bottom left hand corner it says Nightshift, and I have got that scheduled actually every night from 10 PM until 7 AM the next morning. So all I have to do is tap on that little sundial and the colour of the screen changes. Now you're not going to see the colour of the screen changing because whenever you're doing a screen recording on an iPhone or an Android phone, it actually doesn't show up in the recording. But trust me guys, this is how you set it up. So I'm just going to switch that off and I'm going to show you how to actually schedule it. So if you go into your settings and go to display and brightness, and then you can see Nightshift here. I'm just going to tap on it. And you can see that I have got it scheduled, switched on from 10 PM until 7 AM. And I can also adjust this slider at the bottom to give a little warmer tone. Now again, you're not going to see that on the recording, but on the other side of the screen, it's what I see. So that's how easy it is to set it up on an iPhone. Now let's hit up the Android phones. And I've got the Android phone in front of me here. I am using the Huawei P20 Pro. If you are using a Samsung or a Sony phone or something completely different Android wise, then your settings are going to look a little different to mine. However, what I will say is that whenever you go into your settings, usually a blue light filter or a Nightshift filter or something along those lines is always in the display settings. So I'm just going to hit up my settings now, bump, and then I'm going to go down to display, and then in here, color and eye comfort, you can see at the very bottom one here, eye comfort, which filters out blue light for more comfortable reading at night. And again, I've got the option on my Huawei P20 Pro to schedule it. I don't have that set up at the minute purely because I am using my iPhone 8 Plus a bit more, so I've turned that off. However, I still have the eye comfort switched on, and you can see I do also have a slider. Now, if you happen to find that your phone doesn't have anything that remotely looks like this, then do not panic. I am here to help. So what you're going to do is hit up your Play Store, okay, and you're going to type in, as you can see I've already searched for it, blue light filter. Now there's loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of blue light filters, but the two main ones I would be looking at if it was me would be the ones that have the editor's choice. I have used the Twilight one before and it is very, very good. I used it on one of my previous Android phones that didn't have a blue light filter built into it. So I can confirm that the Twilight one is top notch. The one at the very top, the blue light filter, I have never used before, but if it's getting an editor's choice, then it must be good. They're free applications. You can go through the little slideshow here to see if this is what you want to be looking at, and whenever you're happy with that, install either of those. So guys, that is how you set up the blue light filter, and in all seriousness, this is so much better for your eyes whenever you're winding down at night and you want to chill out, you want your brain to be relaxed, you want it to wind down naturally, get that blue light filter on. Peace.